Alright, so check this out. I can't believe all that fit underneath this dash. Not even a lot of room under there. I find that insane. There's a lot of junk under that dash in that Ranger. Crazy. Alright, so a while back I posted something on Facebook and Instagram asking if you guys wanted to see the whole step-by-step process of swapping a V8 into a Ford Ranger. So here it is. This is going to be the first part. As you can see, I already got the firewall cut, the motor's already in. I didn't think about filming a video step-by-step until after this was all done. Then I got the great idea. And so I'm going to run you guys through what I've done and where I'm at and what's next. So follow along. Alright, so here you can see motor is in place. Firewall's already cut. So to get to this point, I actually motor and trans were out of here. I kind of drew a line where I wanted it to be cut. Put the motor and trans in here. And my lines were pretty close. I wanted to make sure I had enough room over here to get wrenches and stuff to get the trans out if I'm in the desert or on the side of the road or at a race. I want it to be easy and quick to get the trans off if needed. So that was the goal. I think I did a pretty good job. The dipstick is, I don't know what I'm gonna do about dipstick. It's kind of low and kind of way back there, so I'll figure that out next. See down here, this is where the plate's gonna go, and I think I'm gonna run tabs off here onto the cross member right here. I'm gonna mount to there. I think that's my idea. This side's kind of gonna be tricky, not a lot of space. Steering box is in the way. Have to figure that out. Spaced it with some pieces of wood I found laying around. Show you guys the inside. In here, as you can see, I removed the dash, got all of the old factory wiring, which you guys saw in the beginning of the video. Didn't need any of it, it's all junk anyways. So as you can see in here, the back shot of it, Turbo 400 is pretty spaced in there. There's a lot of room, to get around. Like I said, dipstick's gonna be weird. So the important part is to make sure that you got your motor and trans in the situation where you want it, the right degree that you want it, and make sure everything's center and level. I think I might be getting a little crazy trying to get it too perfect, so I'll show you guys where I'm at and how I got it to the angles that it's at. Alright, so we're under the truck now. First I tried leveling the truck with this level underneath the frame here. I wanted to make sure the truck was level. I got it level here, and then I stepped back and I looked, and the truck was stink bug, like drag race, and that's not what I want. So I borrowed digital gauge angle finder. I put it right there. You can see it. I got it at 0. Well, 10 degrees, I guess. Oh, there it is, 0. So both sides zeroed out. Then I came up to the motor. So then I put my angle finder on the valley cover right here, and I'm sitting at 5 degrees is where I want it. Then you're gonna come down to the trans. And then it's hard to see, but your trans is gonna be sitting at 0 degrees at that point, because technically your motor is sitting at 5. The trans bell housing already has angle in it, so that's gonna put it's going to line up the bottom of the pan with your frame at 0. That's where I'm at right now. I'm going to start building motor mounts for the motor and the trans. I got pretty lucky. It's kind of hard to see, but this is the custom trans cross member that came with the old Ford Ranger transmission, and it actually sits really close to where the Turbo 400 will mount. So I got pretty lucky there. I'm just going to cut the tabs off the ends and move it back a little bit, and it should line up. Alright, so I'm going to leave this part up to you guys. I want you to all comment and down below and tell me what we should call these. This whole swapping V8 and Ford Ranger, I don't know what to call them, series episodes. I'm going to leave that up to you guys. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more update on this.